In this video guys, I'm gonna show you how you can download a Roblox game to your laptop just in few minutes. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see, I already downloaded my Roblox game to my laptop. As you can see, I just need to finish account setting up, as you can see. So if you want to download Roblox game to your laptop, what you need to do first, step number one, is you just need to go to Google guys and search for Roblox. Okay, then you should see over here, this is the official website of Roblox, and under this link you should see over here download. Okay, click on download like this. You will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to click over here on download now. Okay, and here you go, Roblox will be download to your laptop. Next, and step number two is you just need to click on this file over here that you download, and it will be installing to your laptop. Okay, it's really easy and simple. So I already have Roblox on my account on my laptop, and that's how you can download Roblox to your laptop. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.